Uncovering the mystery of bread mold. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase that you might encounter in everyday conversations or when you're dealing with kitchen conundrums: bread mold. Understanding this phrase is not just about expanding your vocabulary, but it's also about diving into a bit of science. So, let's get started and unravel the story behind this phrase. When we say bread mold, we're talking about a type of fungus that grows on bread. Mold is a kind of microorganism that thrives in warm, moist environments, and unfortunately for our bread, it provides the perfect home for mold to grow. But why should you care about bread mold? Well, it's not just a matter of food spoilage. It's also about health. Consuming moldy bread can lead to food poisoning. That's why recognizing mold on bread and understanding how to prevent it is essential. Now, how can you identify bread mold? It often appears as spots that can be various colors like white, green, black, or even pink. These are colonies of the mold fungus growing on the surface and sometimes even inside the bread. It's important to remember that the visible mold is just the tip of the iceberg. The roots, or hyphae, can penetrate deep into the bread. So, even if you remove the moldy part, some of the mold can still remain in the bread. Always discard moldy bread to be safe. Prevention is better than cure, right? To prevent bread mold, you should keep bread in a dry, cool place and consume it before its shelf life expires. Refrigerating bread or keeping it in an airtight container can also slow down the growth of mold. If you're into baking or buying bread, choosing ones with natural preservatives like vinegar can also help keep mold at bay. And of course, maintaining cleanliness in the kitchen is crucial because mold spores can spread from one food item to another. We hope this video has shed light on the rather spotty issue of bread mold. Now that you know what it is, how to spot it, and how to prevent it, you can ensure that the bread you eat is fresh and safe. Thank you for watching, and remember, a little bit of knowledge goes a long way in keeping you healthy and smart. Stay tuned for more English language tips and tricks. Happy learning, and goodbye for now.